Hello and welcome to the TMC Newsroom. My name is Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching us today. On our program is Kevin Kelleher, who is the CEO of Icon Voice Networks. Hey Kevin, how are you?
Good morning, Rich. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. Pleasure. So, Icon Voice Networks is a new name,
Yes.
new company.
Yes.
So tell us about that, please.
Well, actually, we did an asset purchase of Watts America. All of us have worked, it's the same team, same everybody. David Chrismy, who's the president of Watts America, is the CEO of Icon Voice Networks. And we did an asset purchase of Watts America. It actually was announced, Watts Electric, the parent company, was announced February 25th. It actually took place March 31st. So we just finished our first month. The strategy here is to go ahead and to allow us more flexibility as a unit. We're still heavily engaged with Watts, but allow us more flexibility for development and to go ahead and make the product more competitive for the North American marketplace.
Fantastic. So in terms of new products, you also have some very interesting things on the horizon. I wrote about one of your, actually a few of your products. You want to detail those?
Well, we've got some great news coming up. So the Watts product maintains our core product. And we actually do the application development for the Watts product here. In addition to that, part of our agreement with Watts is we'll be doing some hardware development as well as the platform development. Again, this effort to go ahead and make the product more competitive. But also what we've worked is we now are introducing a small IP platform, which we call the TOS 3000. And the TOS 3000 is going to be a very competitive platform for the small marketplace, 50 users and below. It'll take SIP trunking in. You were at the Broadvox Summit, so we introduced it with our Broadvox SIP trunks to it. Very cost effective. It is 802.11 gateway. It's an IP PBX. It's a firewall. It is a data switch. 802.11 access point. So essentially you can come in, put IP phones in, put SIP trunking in, go ahead, open up your laptop and be running a data network virtually. So you just bring your broadband in WAN and you're ready to go. Another announcement that's really...
And that TOS, I just want to interrupt for 1 second, stands for Total Office Solution, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Total Office Solution 3000. So sort of the three BDS, data, voice, and wireless is sort of the catch there. Another thing we're very excited about and excited to provide to our dealer channel is we've never really addressed the large enterprise. So we've signed a master distributor agreement with Alcatel-Lucent. So we're really just starting this off. We're very happy. Really just, you'll see some press releases come out here shortly. Already our channel has got like 10 or 15 quotes out there for very large enterprise applications. So I think what we will, I know for our dealer channel is have a very, very complete product solution portfolio for them.
So one of the biggest challenges many companies have that are not based in the U.S. is trying to figure out how to be competitive here. I've noticed, especially when a parent is overseas, that they, especially if they're pretty well known in their original country, it's tough to understand how competitive the U.S. market can be.
That's very true, and again, Watts, everyone knows it from a tradition standpoint, just very reliable, great engineering, reliability of the product, but to be the U.S. market or the North American market is so aggressive. You just have to be constantly developing, and not just at the platform level, but your integration levels with different partners and other business process assets. So that's really our focus and why we did this. I will tell you that what we want to be known as is a platform integrator. So we're integrating communications at the platform level versus the systems integration level.
Sure.
So we really provide a engineered, tested, and supported solution. So not a new term, but you've heard the term communications ecosystem, and that's the way we're going to define it. So it's that integration with your ERP system, your wireless, your endpoints, your voice, your IP voice infrastructure, data infrastructure, your surveillance system, your security system, and getting those to work so it really lays up a nice business value for the business.
So really you're almost taking on a distributor role? Is that an accurate way of saying it? Not that you're becoming a distributor, but it almost seems like you're working with Alcatel-Lucent and then you've got a team of resellers out there, right, that are currently reselling Watts products.
Correct. And a distributor in that we have these distribution relationships, but we want to be known more than that. A typical distributor is going to go ahead, provide product, provide the technical support, and deliver it to their systems integrator, VAR reseller. We're going to be different. Okay, we have the engineering talent. As a matter of fact, on the Watts product, the actual application that's delivered for the U.S. market is engineered here in Irving. It's our engineers.
Right.
even as we go ahead bring these other partners in, it's going to be that integration development from an engineering level. So it's almost like in the industry, a new term, not just distribution, but this platform solutions integrator. So we have engineers, and that's our experience going back to the Owatsu roots, 35 years here in the United States. We have engineers that do software, embedded code type interface engineering. We have application engineers, which really present the feature set, if you will. So if it's a mobility key, they're writing that. We have systems and integration engineers, which work with our partners, such as the ESNA Technologies and the DVS Analytics, that integrate their applications, okay, to go ahead and, whether it be CSTA, TAPI, HTML, XML, integrate it to go ahead and provide a solution. The one example I give is, how do we go ahead and make this stuff work? You know, there's some folks talk and say, well, the desk phone's going away. That's okay. I mean, you know, we may be going to smart devices, but the desk phone does provide a few things. It's always on, okay, and it's a big notification terminal. At the end of the day, we know, I know you're on the phone, that type of thing. So if I can go ahead, integrate all this, and let's say you have a security system and you have video surveillance, and I can have a key that you depress at the end of the day because you're going home and it says security, and now you see all your door statuses, red, green, whether they're secure. You see one that's red, and you press that button, and all of a sudden RSS feed to your PC, and you see the camera looking at that. It provides some functionality of all these disparate infrastructures. That's what we want to be known as, integration of these different platforms.
Makes a lot of sense. Okay, so what's next for the company besides what we've talked about here? I mean, are you looking to gain market share in the U.S., or you're looking for more resellers? What?
Well, you're going to see expansion in both fronts. Expansion as far as partners, so we have partner solutions. Expansion as far as the product portfolio for our dealers. We've already done that with the TOS 3000. Again, the Owatsu product is our core, and of course the Alcatel-Lucent product. We'll go ahead and provide a hosted solution, because hosted is an option. You need to have that as your portfolio. So we'll provide a hosted solution. It may be through a partnership as well. But our key focus right now is this integration with some of our partners and providing the status notification. So you're going to see a lot of announcements coming up with us with these other what we call business process system partners. So you'll see some coming up, and you're going to see us delivering these integration platforms to the dealer. As far as channel expansion, we're very fortunate. We've got dealers that have been with us 25 plus years, and they're very loyal, and we're going to be delivering through them. But we'll be adding distribution in areas where we have void markets. But folks that are interested, we'd love to speak to them, because I think we have a real great success story we're starting.
Excellent. Thanks for being on the program today.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, appreciate it.